Okay, what's up everyone? Now we will have a tutorial for Microsoft Excel and we will do student record. Okay, simple student record by using Microsoft Excel. So everyone, let's open your Microsoft Excel. I know you know how to look for your Microsoft Excel in your computer. Okay, so now I'm opening my Microsoft Excel and we will begin our tutorial. Okay, as you can see here, this is a Microsoft Excel interface. You can see a lots of grids. Okay, when we say grids, line. Okay, this line are grids. Okay, and also the horizontal line here are grids. So Microsoft Excel is like this because for the guides. Okay, that's why they have line for the guide so that you may able to put it properly. Okay, all the words, all the numbers that you put in Microsoft Excel will be in proper order. That's why they have grid. Okay, and they also have cells. Okay, when you click this is what we call cells. Okay, every rectangle that you see here in Microsoft Excel are cells. Okay, so cells are very important in Microsoft Excel so that because you will put words, text, and date here. Okay, for example, okay, we will select from letter D to number 4. Okay, letter D to number 4. We will select the cell here. Okay, as you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the active cell that I want to select it, and then we will select also letter E, letter F, and letter G. Okay, how can you select these D, E, F, G cells? Okay, by holding the left click of your mouse, going to D, and then release the left click. Okay, I repeat, holding from letter D, hold the left click, going to letter G, and then you have to release the left click. Okay, and then look for the word merge from the home. Okay, just click the home and look for the merge word. What is the purpose of merge? To make these four cells into one cells only, so that we can put a sentence or we can put a word from these four cells. Okay, so we will merge it and you can see it become one. Okay, not like before, they are four. Okay, now we will make it as one so that we could put the word students records. Okay, students record, and we will make it bigger by clicking the font size, and we will make it number 24 and click the bold, yeah, so that it may easy to read. Okay, you can see very light. Okay, it become pad. Okay, so now we will have the student record and we will make a names word by clicking here. So you have to select the two cells like we did in student records, two cells only, and then click merge, and again at the right side two cells all again and click merge. Okay, and let's put the word names, and here let's put the word grades. Okay, so now we have names and grades here, and we have to bold the names and make it number 14. Also the grades number 14, font size. Okay, and then make it bold also. Okay, and then below from names to grades you have to merge again. Okay, these two cells, you have to merge it. These two cells from the grade, you have to merge it. And also this one, merge it. This one, merge it. This one, merge it. This one, merge it. Okay, we will make 4 student names here. Oh, 5 actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll make 5. Okay, 5 cells. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have 5 cells also in grade. We'll put name like James. Okay, Mark. Okay, Jojo. Junior. And the last one is Baymax. Okay, and then we will put the grade here 76, 77. For example, this is for example 78, 79, and Baymax got 80. Okay, and now when we put their names and the grades of the student, we will make a design for the work that we done here, that we have done. Okay, and we have to select highlight from the student, okay, up to Baymax. Okay, how to do that? You have to hold the left click of your mouse. You have to hold the left click of the mouse from the student down to Baymax. Then after that, when you see this highlight, you have to release. Okay, release the left click of the mouse. Okay, and then we have to find the borders selection here. This one. This is the border selection. You have to click this arrow so that you can see the borders. Okay, and we will choose all borders so that all the cells from student to Baymax will have borders. Okay, what is borders? You will see this. When I click this, you can see they have black borders from every side. Okay, and then we will make a color background from the student record. For example, here we have to find the fill color, and you have to choose any color that you want. Okay, you can see the color changes from the student, and for example I have to choose yellow or light yellow for the student record, and for the names I have to choose green. Okay, and for the grades also green also. Okay, so now we are finished doing this, and this is a sample student records that we made today, and I hope you will do this today. And now continuing your activity, do your activity right now. Thank you so much.